Name a big animal. 3, 2, 1. If you said hippo, then you're out. It's the daily random quiz, animal edition. Yay! Next question. Name a small animal. In 3, 2, 1. Answer is newt. If you said a newt, then you've been eliminated. Now name an animal with fur. In 3, 2, 1. The answer is badger. If you said a badger, then you're eliminated. Name an animal with 2 legs. 3, 2, 1. The answer is rabbit. If you said rabbit, you've been eliminated. Last question coming up. Name an animal that flies in the air or whatever. 3, 2, 1. The answer is goose. If you said goose, you're eliminated. That's it.